Hi everyone, we are at 8925 Reeder Road, and I'm gonna try to help you guys get an idea, hopefully a feel for this amazing property, which the snow is melting. This isn't the prettiest time of year for this, but I still think it's a pretty amazing place to live, and I'm gonna try to give you an idea of where we are, what this is. We have two homes on this site, one of them being this one with an attached two-car garage, the other one being that one over there, okay, with another 1,800 square feet, a triple wide manufactured home. I will show you some of the outside space here, some of the outside infrastructure currently set up to be a sheep lambing operation. I'll show you some lambs too. And this is a good idea of what's here now, just some of it actually. Let's go in here. I believe 38 acres of this can be used for grass hay, and then about 4 acres they had set up for organic garlic. So let's take a look around. Here's the first shop. The puppy dog that lives here right now, you stay put. That's it. It's warm in here. It is very warm in here. This is the perfect place for any crafty activities, anything messy and dirty you can do in here. Here's the other shop area. More room to store things, do things, anything you need to, anything crafty or storage or agricultural wise you can do in here. Next area. This, by the way, let me try to find a light switch. Nope, not right now. This is an area where they lamb. And here are some of the mamas. This is the whole area that is currently set up to be used for sheep and lambs. There we go. Hi, mamas. Hello. I'll try not to freak you out. Calm down. Everything's fine. Here is another outdoor area, and I'm going to take you through. Oh, I'm sorry. Don't get stressed out. I don't want to make any mama sheep mad. Let's look at this area here. Just a minute. Another outdoor area. Okay. This is where that big hoop barn is that you might have seen in the listing pictures. Here's a nice grain bin. And more space for sheep. A hay barn back there. And then we also happen to be right in the middle of the Henley School District, which is really, really desirable for a lot of people. I can see a llama in that shed. You see him? Lots of llamas, lots of babies. This is a busy time of year for these sellers. They have their hands full with the mud and the lambs, and it's just a lot of things to do. And yeah, this place is absolutely ready for the next family to who would like to live this lifestyle, who would like to live in this area, who would like to enjoy the Henley schools and their amazing graduation rates, and a whole lot of other benefits. There's a lot of potential for this property. So I hope I was able to, we're at 4 minutes now, so I hope, I'm going to turn this off now. I hope I was able to give you an idea of this place and kind of some sort of a spatial awareness for what's where here. Like I said, I want to make sure you've seen all of this. And then if you're wondering about the second unit, which is 9051 Reeder Road, that is right over there. Do you see that? That triple wide manufactured home with 1,800 square feet. The main home being a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2,336 square feet, I believe. And yeah, call me if you have any questions. If you can think of anyone that might absolutely love this and enjoy this as much as this family has for the past 30 to 40 years, I believe. Isn't this amazing? I think it's absolutely beautiful. Come take a look for yourself, and I'll see you on the next video.